Question number 16. A rocket is in the form of a right circular cylinder, closed at the lower end and surmounted by a cone with the same radius as that of the cylinder. The diameter and the height of the cylinder are 6 cm and 12 cm respectively. If the slant height of the conical portion is 5 cm, find the total surface area and the volume of the rocket. Pi is equal to 3.14. Given diameter of cylinder is equal to 6 cm. Radius is equal to 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3 cm. Height of cylinder equal to 12 cm. Slant height of cone L is equal to 5 cm. Find the total surface area and the volume of the rocket. Surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r h. Two into pi is 3.14 into radius is 3 and height is 12 centimeter square. 2 3s are 6, 12 6 are 72, 314 multiplied by 72, that is equal to 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9, 7 3s are 21, 8 0 16 2 2, that is equal to 226.08 centimeter square. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 226.08 centimeter square and curved surface area of cone, that is equal to pi r l, which implies pi is 3.14 and radius of cone is 3 and slant height is 5. 314 multiplied by 15. 314 into 15. 15 4s are 60. 6 carry. 15 1s are 15 plus 6, 21. 2 carry. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 2, that is equal to 47, and point is here. That is equal to 47.10 centimeter square. Area of base, that is equal to pi r square, which implies 3.14 into r is 3 into 3. 314 into 9, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 9 1s are 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1, 28. That is equal to 28.26 centimeter square. Total surface area equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of base, that is pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 226.08. Curved surface area of cone is 47.1, and curved area of base equal to 28.26. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. 8 plus 7 15 plus 6 is equal to 21, and 2 carry, 2 plus 2 4 plus 4. 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3. We get total surface area is 301.44 centimeter square. Answer. And the volume of rocket. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h, which implies pi is 3.14 into r is 3 square, and height of cylinder is 12. That is equal to 3.14 into 3 3s are 9, 12 9s are 108, and 314 into 108. 32 3, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 1 carry, 8 3s are 24, that is 25. 0 0 0 4 1 3. We get 2 1 9 3 3 centimeter cube, which implies volume of cylinder is equal to 339.12 centimeter cube. Volume of cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So we have slant height, that is 5. L square is equal to r square plus h square, and L is 5. 5 square equal to radius is 3. 3 square plus h square, that is equal to 25. 3 3s are 9 plus h square, and shifting left side, 25 minus 9 is equal to h square, which implies h square equal to 16, and height is equal to 4 centimeter. So its height of cone 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into 3 into 3 into height, that is 4. 3 3s cancel, 3 4s are 12. 314 into 12. 12 4s are 48. 4 carry. 12 ones are 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16. 1 carry. 12 threes are 36. 37. 37, that is equal to 37.68 centimeter cube. Volume of cone is equal to 37.68 centimeter cube. Total volume, that is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is 339.12 plus volume of cone is 37.68 centimeter cube. Total volume equal to 339.12 37.68 0 8 16 7 3 376.8 centimeter cube. Answer. Given diameter of cylinder is 6 centimeter and its radius is half of diameter, that is 3 centimeter, and height of cylinder is given 12 centimeter. Slant height of cone is equal to 5 centimeter. So surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, that is 2 into pi is 3.14, it's given, and radius is 3 and height is 12. Then their multiplication will be 226.08 centimeter square. Its curved surface area of cylinder. And curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Slant height of cone is 5. Pi is 3.14 and radius of cone is equal to 3 centimeter. Pi RL, that is equal to 47.1 centimeter square. And area of base, that is circle. Area of circle pi r square. Pi is 3.14 and radius is 3 into 3. Then this is equal to 28.26 centimeter square. And total area equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus area of base. That is total sum is 301.44 centimeter square. Answer. And volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi is 3.14, radius is 3, that is 3 square, into height is 12. 12, 3 3s are 9, 12 9s are 108, and 108 multiplied by 3.14, then we get 339.12 centimeter cube. Its volume of cylinder. And volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. First we find the height of cone. Slant height is 5. 5 square is equal to radius square plus height square. L square is equal to r square plus h square. 5 5s are 25 equal to 3 3s are 9 plus h square. Shifting 9 left side, 25 9 will be negative and 25 minus 9 equal to 16. So h square equal to 16 means h equal to root 16, that is 4 centimeter. We find height of cone, that is 4 centimeter, and volume of cone is 1/3 into pi r square h. H is 4 centimeter. 3 3s cancel, 4 3s are 12 and 3.14 into 12, that is equal to 37.68 centimeter cube. and total volume is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone, that is 339.12 plus 37.68, that is 376.8 centimeter cube. Answer. Thank you.